Hello fellas, I have the Dewalt cordless drill and it's cannot spin the motor or the gear are same, so I will open it. I will try to spin the motor. What can we see? Definitely that the motor is overheated. I'll try to remove the armature from the carbon wedge holder unit. You can see that this part is melted. And we can see that our armature is melted. And okay, with this drill I got a really long way to go, and I have rewinded the armature. As you can see now, it's all nice shining copper, and this was the old wiring of the armature. So we have rewinding, and as this one was without a fan here, the plastic piece, I don't have it, so I have not installed it. And what I want to do with this one is just to put in the drill and check how my winding was, because it's a first motor that I rewinded. So in setting it into field, into the brushes, ball bearing holder. Okay, getting everything in place. Just making sure that the wires are in place and I will not damage them with the housing. Yep, they all look good. The gear I see. Okay, the field is moving, so I will put the screws for the ball bearing holder. Now of course we can try the armature. It spins. Yep, both direction. Of course the alignment now is not perfect. It will be perfect when I will put the second piece of the housing, because it will press the choke unit in a place. Not got the tilt correctly. Yeah, it seems good, yep. So the drill now is assembled. I'm putting the butter and think that it works good. Yeah, it has to have a lot of power. Yep, I cannot stop it. Okay, so it seems that the motor winding was a good idea.